All right, once again, welcome back, students. At this time, we want to continue with more mixed fraction. So remember again, you can subscribe for quick access to all the videos that will be posted. There will be many more that will be posted very soon. So subscribe for quick access. As you can see, our first fraction is 5 and 2/3 plus 1 and 3/8 minus 2 and a quarter, or 2 and 1/4. So let's start. It's 5 times 3, 15, plus 2, 17. So it's 17 over 3, our same denominator, plus 1 times 8, 8. And 8 plus 3 is 11. So it's 11 over 8, which is the same denominator, minus 2 times 4, 8, and 1, 9. 9 over 4. Remember, how did I get this 17 over 3? Remember, it's 5 times 3, 15, plus 2, 17 over 3, plus 1 times 8, 8, plus 3, 11 over 8, minus 2 times 4, 8, and 1, 9 over 4. Since our fraction that we're dealing with is addition and subtraction, I will find my LCM of all three numbers. I will go right ahead and find my LCM of 3, 8, and 4. So the LCM of 3, 8, 4. So let's find our LCM, which is our least common multiple. So I'll go by multiples of 3 first. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Then I go 8, 16, 24, 32. Then I go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Okay, so when I look in the problem, I can see that my LCM of 3, 8, and 4 is 24 because it's the least common number in all three sets. So it means that the LCM of 3, 8, and 4 is 24. So after I get my LCM of these three denominator, I'm going to ask myself, what can I multiply with 3 to get 24? And it's 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24. So what will I do with the times 8? I will carry up the times 8 after the 17. Now I will come to the 8 and ask myself, what can I multiply with 8 to get 24? It's 8 times 3. So I carry up my times 3. I do the same for my 4. I ask myself, what can I multiply with 4 to get 24? It's 4 times 6. And we know that 6 times 4 is 24. So what do? I carry up my times 6. Again, we got our LCM of 3, 8, and 4 as 24. Then I ask myself, 3 times what gives me 24 times 8? Carry up my times 8. 8 times what gives me 24? Times 3, so I carry up my times 3. And 4 times what gives me 24? Times 6, so I carry up my times 6. Then I need to multiply 17 times 8. And when I multiply 17 times 8, I got 136. Plus 11 times 3 is 33, minus 9 times 6, 54. I add 136 plus 33, and I got 169. Then I will minus this 54 from the 169. And when I minus this 54 from the 169, I got 115 over 24, which is my same denominator. All right, again, remember, how did I arrive to this 115? It's 136 plus 33, which is 169, minus 54. And that's how I arrived to this 115. Then 115 over my same denominator, which is 24. But we cannot jump to conclusion and say that's my answer. The reason why is because I have an improper fraction. And now I want to change this back to a mixed number. So I will ask myself, 24 could go into 115 how many times? 24 could go into 115 4 times. And I will put my remainder over the same denominator, 24. So remember, 24 could go into 115 4 times, with 19 remainder over 24. And again, how did I arrive to 4 and 19 over 24 from 115 over 24? I asked myself how many times 24 could go into 115? 4 times with 19 remainder over 24. And the problem is solved. Thanks so much for tuning in. Look forward for more videos coming soon.